Hey Curly Teas! Today let's make a classic moisturizer with cocoa butter and shea butter that can be used for both the hair and the skin. I love this one for the hair. Now try this one if you want to limit the amount of curl definition you lose when also using a styling gel. Distilled water is very important when making products. Never use tap water for anything. I usually transfer my distilled water into smaller bottles with more durable plastic.
Distilled water is crucial in water-based products to ensure purity and prevent contamination, enhancing the effectiveness and safety of cosmetic formulations.
Alright y'all, glycerin is actually a wonderful humectant for the hair. It draws moisture to the hair, but it also keeps your actual product, your physical product, from drying out and cracking before you can use it all up. A lot of us were scared away from using glycerin years ago, but it actually is a fantastic humectant for the hair. It's in everything for a reason. It's not simply a filler ingredient. It serves a very important purpose. Hope and Diol is an alternative to propylene glycol. You may know this as Nature Silk if you've been watching CURLYTEA. I began using it years ago because it adds a glossy look to your actual product. It's also a humectant for the hair and the skin. It's less sensitizing than propylene glycol. It really helps to keep your lotions, creams, and conditioners looking high quality and not dull or starchy. I mean, there's nothing worse than using a cream that looks like liquid mashed potatoes, you know what I mean? Aloe vera juice is recommended because of its anti-irritation properties. Now, in the video, I added the aloe vera juice at this point, but really, I should have added it during the cool down phase because it contains electrolytes. Traditionally, you want to make sure your emulsion has formed before you introduce the electrolytes. But to be clear, I didn't have an issue at all with this formula the way I'm making it in the video, probably because of the other ingredients in the formula. Cocoa butter is a nice emollient. As good as it is for the skin, it's also excellent for the hair. Cocoa butter has a nice chocolate scent, so you may be able to skip fragrance oil and still have a nice smell to this product. It's said to be high in vitamin E and fatty acids, which may help the hair retain moisture throughout the process of conditioning. I find it to be a beautiful addition here. Shea butter is a great emollient. It helps to soften the hair and to lock in moisture. Because of its role in deep hydration and smoothing the cuticle, shea butter may help increase the length of time your hair feels moisturized. There's some info about it helping with frizz and improving how shiny the hair looks after application.
Shea butter is renowned for its ability to deeply moisturize hair, making it a popular ingredient in hair care products. Its rich composition of vitamins E, A, and F, as well as fatty acids, contributes to its hydrating properties.
Lotion Pro 165, aka Arlicel 165, is probably one of the most reliable emulsifiers you can use here. However, it offers absolutely no thickness at all. Lotion Pro 165 is a combo of glycerol stearate and PEG 100 stearate. Yes, it's a PEG. If that bothers you, use a PEG-free emulsifier.
Glycerol stearate has an HLB value of 3.8, making it suitable for stabilizing the oil phase in emulsions. PEG 100 stearate, with an HLB value of 18.8, stabilizes the water phase, allowing for a balanced emulsion system. Become a member at CURLYTEA.com today to get the full formula, instructions, notes, and other tips. Become a member at CURLYTEA.com today to get the full formula, instructions, notes, and other tips. Black seed oil exhibits strong antioxidant activity which helps in reducing oxidative stress and preventing cell damage in hair follicles. The oil's ability to inhibit lipid peroxidation protects hair follicles from oxidative damage, which is crucial for maintaining hair quality and preventing hair loss.
Triethylhexanoin is another silicone alternative that helps improve skin moisture. It's an emollient ester. If you don't want to use silicone, add this to help further improve the sensory effect of your product. It helps make the final product smooth and greatly reduces any tackiness or dragginess.
Triethylhexanoin is commonly used in cosmetic formulations for its emollient properties, enhancing skin feel and moisture retention.
Become a member at CURLYTEA.com today to get the full formula, instructions, notes, and other tips. Phenylpropanol is considered a safer alternative to traditional preservatives such as parabens, which have faced regulatory restrictions due to health concerns. It is often used in combination with other antimicrobial agents and boosters, which can enhance its efficacy while maintaining a low concentration in formulations, thus minimizing potential adverse effects.
Fragrance is optional. The strength of the fragrance will determine how much you use. The final product is a great, quick absorbing cream that's not heavy or super greasy. If you usually use a leave-in conditioner and styling gels, you may notice how the leave-in makes the hair super soft or softer than it otherwise would be. But if you want to try to mitigate that a little bit, go to the website and try this particular formula. This has no BTMS or any other super softening conditioning agent, but it will help promote your hair holding onto moisture for an extended period of time, even under your styling gel. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to head to the site or to check out the Patreon. That's where everything happens first, the site and the Patreon. I hope you guys enjoy this formula. If you're watching at YouTube, watch the next video to learn how to make a buttery cocoa butter based hair mask.